Let me introduce you to Enterprise Developer Team Edition, the latest version of COBOL development tools from Micro Focus. We have combined the power of Mainframe Express and Studio Enterprise Edition to produce tooling that will revolutionize the way traditional mainframe development is performed. Enterprise Developer Team Edition is available for both Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 and the Eclipse IDE. It provides agile development environments for legacy and distributed applications for Micro Focus customers requiring either offload, test or migration solutions. This is especially significant for customers with legacy applications facing the impending skills shortage, providing assistance to recruit new or transition existing developers into the COBOL world. For offload customers, the Eclipse IDE can provide coexistence with existing Java development environments. Enterprise Developer enables users to create mainframe subsystem-specific projects which support the development of legacy applications containing COBOL PL1 and assembler, executing in Kix or IMS for online and Jest for batch. It is important to note that at this stage PL1 is supported when developing for migrated applications only. Both IMS and DB2 databases are supported, the latter provided using the Micro Focus SQL for DB2 option. QSUM and vSUM file support is also provided. In Enterprise Developer, the execution environment has been consolidated around Enterprise Server. This allows for a consistent approach between offload, test and production environments, easing the transition of modules through the software development lifecycle and reducing the risk for customers when adopting additional Micro Focus solutions. This also reduces the effort of configuration and maintenance for customers with multiple Micro Focus environments. Enterprise Developer has been designed with developers in mind, improving the day-to-day experience of developing and testing programs. The Enterprise Developer editors in both the Visual Studio 2010 and Eclipse IDEs offer much assistance to developers to improve the efficiency of the coding process by the use of tools such as background parsing with IntelliSense or Content Assist, code snippets and templates, code colorization, the program outline view, breadcrumbs and many more. All these contribute to code being written quicker and with fewer syntax errors. These editors will be familiar to non-COBOL developers accustomed to agile development environments. This provides the opportunity to retrain programmers to coding COBOL, but in an environment they feel at home in. This is an important message to deliver to our existing and potential mainframe customers who are rightly worried about the impending legacy skills shortage. Enterprise Developer provides compilation and build functionality for all mainframe subsystem components to be deployed to development, test and production environments. These modules include COBOL, PL1 and assembler application code, BMS and MFS macros for online screen definitions, and all relevant components for IMS database support. The DLL load modules produced are compatible whether from Visual Studio or the Eclipse IDE. Both IDEs provide mass compilation in batch mode. Enterprise Developer works with Enterprise Server to provide both execution and debugging of legacy applications. By attaching a Rumba 3270 emulator to a running Enterprise Server region, customer developers and testers can execute online applications either locally or on remote servers. Function keys work as they do on the mainframe. Where the requirement is to run application batch jobs, unchanged mainframe JCL can be submitted to the relevant region for execution, producing mainframe-like execution summary output and application reports. The Enterprise Server spool output can be viewed from within the IDE. Mainframe-like job and step codes are returned from the execution engine. In addition, it is possible to attach the Enterprise Developer Debugger to a development level logical server such that any application's programs compiled for debug will load into the debugger, allowing the developers to perform single-line debugging. In a Kix application, programs initiated by a transaction code, Kix xscuttle or Kix link statements will be loaded into the debugger when appropriate. For a batch job, all programs executed, either directly from the JCL or as a subroutine, will be loaded into the debugger if compiled accordingly. Once in the debugger, the use of functions such as breakpoints, both basic and advanced, watch points, and execution repositioning enable a developer to both unit test and track down execution failures very quickly. Enterprise Developer data file tools provide editing capabilities for sequential and index sequential datasets. Both ANSI and EBCDIC data can be edited. Data file structure overlays provide a simple way to edit binary and packdecimal data. The more traditional hex edit view is available for those who prefer it. Mainframe Access provides developers with a connection to the mainframe, which enables them to download data and source using the graphical drag and drop utility. In summary, Enterprise Developer Team Edition builds on the foundation of the current Micro Focus development tools, moving forward to the latest IDEs of Visual Studio and Eclipse, providing development tools for the offload test and migration solutions. It supports the development of applications using COBOL, PL1 and Assembler, executing in Kix, IMS and Batch. On top of our existing foundations, Enterprise Developer provides our clients with agile development environments that can help them recruit or transition developers to forestall the impending legacy skill shortage. The new smart editing capabilities will improve the efficiency and quality of the code produced. Consolidation of the execution environment around our production strength enterprise server technology provides Micro Focus clients with first, efficient, flexible and cost-efficient development and functional testing, and then secondly, a reduced risk transition to application migration. For further information, contact your local Micro Focus sales representative, whose details can be found on our website.